Hey, this is Mike, and today I want to talk about Clean Energy Fuels Corporate trades on the Nasdaq on symbol CLNE. The stock was down pretty big, down over 7%, down to 1025. However, after hours, Clean Energy Fuels did move back up over a little over 2%, up to 1049. Look over the past 5 days, the stock has actually performed really well, moving from 795 up over $11 and has moved back down. You go back further over the past month, this was a sub $5 stock. So one of the reasons why the stock has basically pulled back down is just that it's had a pretty dramatic rise, and you just get the short-term sellers who've probably doubled their money and say, okay, I'm going to move on to something else. So we may see some further selling in clean energy fuels over the next week or so. However, I do think during the months of February, March, April, and May, clean energy fuels may do well for a couple of reasons. So first, let's take a look at what clean energy fuels does. They are a, whoops, this might, okay, so they're basically a producer of natural gas for transportation. So you see here, this natural gas is used for a lot of trucking fleets. I know there's a lot of excitement around EV semis that should be rolling out over the next couple of years, but right now, natural gas is used for a variety of buses and semis and fleet vehicles. And so natural gas is still a great space to be in the energy sector. Now, during the months of February, March, April, and May is usually the seasonally strong time for energy stocks. So your Exxon Mobil's, your oil ETFs, all of those are going to do really well. And I think clean energy fuels that had a lot of momentum over the past month we'll see some renewed momentum during the spring months. So there is a possibility that you can see clean energy fuels pop to $15 a share during the spring months, like maybe pop up to $15 by May of this year. It may move back down after that. However, if you're looking for like a short-term trade, like within the span of like 3 to 4 months, definitely take a look at clean energy fuels, especially if the energy sector begins to get hot during the spring months. These smaller stocks that people look for outsized gains, they're going to tend to bid these up. So definitely take a look at clean energy fuels. I think it has a lot of potential as a short-term trade over the next couple months. So again, clean energy fuels trades on the Nasdaq under the symbol CLNE. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trade strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.